So this is my review for Pop On Veneers Hollywood White top and bottom. This is my teeth before. See, not bad. But I was planning on getting actual veneers because I like big, really bright, fake-looking teeth. And I figured I would try these since the cost of a top and bottom was less than the cost of one veneer for my teeth. So, and I have to say, I'm so excited that I did this. So this is the top. And you just put them in. And then you do the bottom. So they, I haven't worn them that much because I just got them. I talk better if it's just the top. After you take them out. So I feel more comfortable just wearing the top ones for now because I think it looks good. But I'm gonna try to get used to the bottom ones because I do like the way that they look. So if you're thinking about getting veneers or anything like that, I would say give these a shot. A couple $100. If you don't like them, you can still go spend $1,000, $2,000 per tooth. But if you do like them, you just saved yourself a bunch of money.